Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to BazAI. Hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. So today I'm going to talk something very important in AI agent world. Right now, web searching capabilities for AI agents using Travely. Now, honestly, guys, most people are building AI agents completely wrong. Everybody is focusing on the model, the bigger model, more parameters, more reasoning. But the real issue, the AI agents is are still outdated because LLMs have the knowledge cutoff, which means something happened today morning. Your AI model probably doesn't know. And this is because massive problem. Imagine asking your AI agent, what is the latest NVIDIA release? Or what happened in AI news today? Or maybe give me the latest cybersecurity updates. Without web search, the model start guessing, and that's where hallucination happens. So this is exactly why web searching becomes super important for AI agents. And Tavily is solving this in very clean way. Listen, Tavily solving this in a clean way. So basically, Tavily gives AI agents real-time web search capabilities, extraction, crawling, mapping, research capabilities. And honestly, all this required very fast interference. One. AI agents require these web searching capabilities faster and cleaner way. Every agent is focused how quality of data which I'm getting it. If you see the platform, you can see multi-capables directly. You can do searching, extraction, crawling, deep searching capabilities, map websites. That's pretty amazing, but crawling and deep searching ones. Everything is optimized because Travely has optimized AI systems, not like humans, and it's two pretty important things how it's gonna optimize. Now let's understand one key concept, how the keyword search versus semantic search. Traditional search engines mostly works using keywords. If you look at your Google engine, it works the keyword searching capabilities. But for AI agents, we need semantic understanding, meaning the based on the retrieval information, the context-based retrieval is the best thing. So if you wanted to search a blue chip companies or best AI chip companies for interference, it's gonna go to the semantic searching capabilities, understand GPU, AI hardware, interference optimization, enterprise AI capabilities. It has to understand not just with the keywords where someone asks like, hey, retrieve this data, which doesn't gonna give you accurate information once. Now, other most important thing, quality. The failure of the AI in a production or agent is all because how quality data which we are providing, especially the web searching quality, is a major thing. The agents is a good information to retrieve, bad information means bad reasoning capabilities. So trebly focus on domain trust, semantic ranking, factual grounding, recency. So what is all this is going to give you? It's going to give you a full honest importance to your searching capabilities. That makes your modern AI system need to be fresh information. Especially they are not going to search the old outdated blogs for news or financial reports. And when you start asking for reward, it understand river bank going to be a financial, and when it goes to the financial ones, it understand the context of the real time matter, and it sets the latest blogs. That helps to extract a cool information, not from a messy website. They do a cleaner way with everything detailed scripted to one. Now let's understand the major things why we require to have all this information. When we are creating a production grade AI agent, the web searching is really required a quality ones because we can't train our data with latest web searching capabilities, everything. We require a tooling of Travily that gonna help us to provide a cleaner, secure the data structure wise as well into the JSON. And it's pretty fast as well because when the agents wait for longer duration, it started getting failed. That's going to be a major problem. Honestly, it's a super useful with summarizations, RAG, embedding, memory system. Now the third one is going to be crawling the powerful because instead of reading entire one page, it goes to the multiple documents, research blogs, company websites, knowledge bases, combined with help of its own autonomous research agent. So it means like you're gonna talking with the multi-agentic system where Travely reasoning searching engine with their agentic capabilities. And the fourth one, the mapping. Mapping helps to understand structure of websites, to create a website with intelligence graph, what pages is existed, how the pages are connected. So it's gonna do a real human like capabilities to do a deep research in terms of like you search the company product catalogs, how the two companies are performing with. So it's going to have its own deep research workflow capabilities. Now the major thing which is required the modern era is MCP. MCP ecosystem is becoming huge factor to it, and Trevally works very nicely with MCP server and agent workflow. It means like you can work cross domain with multiple agent capabilities, and AI agents can directly search to the world. So it's gonna gives you a liberty, your AI agents to go and search the web and get more intelligence to your ecosystem without huge memory, retrieval, reasoning, and planning. What the web surface like web awareness we call as like how good the agents know the real time data. Everything is connected, so it's going to be a biggest pillar for your future when you're building the AI agents. So, guys, this is overall understanding. Travely is for AI agents which require web searching capabilities. If you are building AI agents, RAG pipelines, research assistants, autonomous systems, definitely try Travely. You'll really understand how powerful live retrieval systems are. And thanks for watching for everyone. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to BazAI and I will see you guys in next one.